This built-in warming drawer from Samsung is ideal if you want a quality model to keep food and dishes at the perfect temperature. It has a 25-litre capacity, which means it can hold up to 20 plates and is designed to fit at eye level. The fantastic plate warming function is ideal when you want to serve food on preheated dishes. Simply select this option and a fan will spread warm air throughout the drawer to gently heat up your plates and bowls, meaning your dishes will never cool down that delicious lasagna before it arrives at the dinner table. This model even has an innovative dough-proofing function, which lets you prepare your dough for baking bread with ease and precision. When you select this option, warm air is circulated inside the drawer at the optimum temperature to help dough rise. This stops any crust from forming and gives the dough a light texture that's perfect for baking in the oven. So, you can always serve up delicious homemade bread to complete a fantastic meal for your guests. If you're looking for a quality warming drawer to keep food and dishes at the perfect temperature, this built-in model from Samsung is an ideal choice.